Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning conversation. Today, we will talk about something very important. We will talk about relaxing in life.
Hello friends. I am happy you are here. Please listen slowly. Please feel every word. Today, we will learn English and also learn how to take life easy.
These days, life feels very fast. Everywhere, there is pressure.
Yes, people are always running. Running for work, running for money, running for success.
Sometimes, I feel very tired. Not only my body, but my mind also feels tired.
I understand you. I also feel the same. When I wake up, I already feel stressed.
Stress comes quietly. It sits inside us. And slowly, it steals our peace.
Do you know why we forget to relax?
Maybe because we think relaxing is wasting time.
Yes, we think resting means we are lazy. But that is not true.
Relaxing is not laziness. Relaxing is self-care.
When we relax, we heal our mind. We heal our heart.
Relax means slowing down.
Relax means taking a deep breath.
Relax means being kind to yourself.
You do not have to win every race. You do not have to prove anything.
We do not need big holidays to relax.
Relaxation can be very small.
Like sitting quietly for 5 minutes.
Like drinking tea slowly without using your phone.
Like watching the sky.
Or listening to soft music.
One big reason for stress is comparison.
We compare our life with others.
But everyone has a different journey.
Someone is fast. Someone is slow. Both are okay.
How do you talk to yourself?
Sometimes, I am very hard on myself.
We should talk to ourselves like a friend.
Say things like, "It is okay. You are doing your best."
To relax the mind, we must stop overthinking.
Overthinking steals happiness.
The past is gone. The future is unknown.
Only this moment is real.
Take a deep breath slowly.
Hold it for a moment.
Now breathe out very slowly.
Breathing slowly calms the mind. Relaxing does not mean giving up.
It means preparing yourself better.
A relaxed mind works better.
A calm heart makes better decisions.
Nighttime is perfect to relax.
Turn off bright lights.
Put away your phone.
Say thank you for the day.
Gratitude relaxes the heart.
Sometimes life does not go as we plan.
And that makes us feel sad or angry.
Accepting life brings peace.
Acceptance means saying, "This is okay for now." We try to do many things together.
That makes us tired.
Do one thing slowly with focus.
When you eat, just eat. When you walk, just walk. Silence is powerful.
Nature teaches us to slow down.
Trees do not hurry.
The sky does not rush. We want everything to be perfect.
Perfection creates stress.
It is okay to make mistakes.
You do not need to be perfect to be happy. Rest is a need.
Listen to your body.
Sleep well.
Be gentle with yourself. Happiness is simple.
A warm cup of tea.
A quiet evening.
A kind word. Life is not a race.
Life is a journey.
Slow down when needed.
Relax your mind and heart.
Thank you for listening.
Keep learning English calmly.
Every day, we wake up with expectations. Expectations from family. Expectations from society. Expectations from ourselves.
Yes, these expectations create pressure. Slowly, they become heavy on our mind.
Sometimes, we try too hard to make everyone happy.
And in that process, we forget our own happiness.
Relaxing means understanding that you cannot please everyone.
It is okay to choose peace over pressure.
Why are we always in a hurry?
Maybe because we think faster is better.
But faster is not always healthier.
When we rush, we miss small beautiful moments.
Slowing down helps us notice life.
Life feels lighter when we stop rushing.
Social media increases stress.
We see perfect lives online.
But we forget that it is not the full truth.
Everyone has struggles, even if they smile online.
Limiting screen time helps us relax.
Real life feels calmer than the screen.
Spending time alone is important.
It helps us understand ourselves.
Silence gives answers.
Sit quietly and listen to your thoughts.
Do not judge yourself.
Just observe and breathe. Feeling sad does not mean you are weak.
Feeling tired does not mean you are failing.
Emotions are part of being human.
Accept your emotions gently.
They will pass with time.
Work is important.
But rest is also important.
Life is not only about productivity.
It is also about peace and joy.
Take breaks without guilt.
Your worth is not based on work alone.
Healing is slow.
And that is okay.
Do not rush your healing journey.
Small steps are still progress.
Be patient with yourself.
You are doing better than you think.
Holding on to the past creates pain.
We cannot change what has already happened.
But we can choose how we feel now.
Forgive yourself.
Forgive others if you can.
Forgiveness relaxes the heart.
Life has its own timing.
Not everything happens when we want.
Trust the process.
Things will slowly fall into place.
Patience brings peace.
Worry steals peace. Talking to someone helps.
Sharing lightens the heart.
You do not have to carry everything alone.
Choose people who bring calm.
Positive company relaxes the mind.
Create a peaceful night routine.
Dim the lights.
Read something light.
Listen to soft sounds.
Prepare your mind for rest.
Sleep is healing.
Most stress comes from thinking too much.
Thinking about what may happen.
The present moment is safe.
Focus on now.
Now is calm.
Now is enough. Self-love is not selfish.
It is necessary.
Care for yourself like you care for others.
Speak kindly to yourself.
You deserve rest and peace.
A simple life is a peaceful life.
Less wants, less stress.
More gratitude, more peace.
Choose simplicity.
Choose calmness. Life will always have challenges.
But you can choose how you respond.
Slow down when life feels heavy.
Breathe deeply and relax.
You are not alone.
You are strong and enough.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Keep learning English slowly.
Keep choosing peace.
Relax your mind and heart.
Take care. Stay calm.